having other doctors only address the cosmetic issue. When I came in here with the CT scan and the thorough nature of the examination that was done, Dr. Keller immediately saw an infection under an old root canal that was failing that 4 other doctors ignored or didn't see. I don't know. But he said, first and foremost, we're going to deal with that. And I needed an implant. And that stem cell therapy was amazing. I had absolutely no pain. I mean, I literally got through an implant with Tylenol. It was incredible. And so we dealt with that and then dealt with my cracked veneer and my overall smile. So I really appreciated the holistic approach and not just the, we can give you a dazzling smile approach. It was what needed to be done medically was first and foremost, and that was the right approach.